Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to have you here once again. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if today is your first time, kindly subscribe and be part of this wonderful and big family. Yeah, this video is going to be an exciting tutorial that many of you have requested. Yeah, and it's going to be on how to book a flight online without paying money upfront. Yeah, you don't have to pay anything, any initial deposit or any initial payments before your flight is reserved for you. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to find and then reserve your dream flight that you will take to your dream country. Yeah, so this one is for everyone who wants to travel. So if you are preparing to travel now, it means you are at the right place at the right time. Just sit back and then relax as I walk you through. Yeah, so before we dive into the video, I want to break the news to you that I've moved from Dresden to Berlin now for my internship. And then at the appropriate time, I'm going to share with you everything you need to know about finding an internship in Germany. Yeah, so if you are ready for today's video and today's topic, pick your pens, your notepads, and then let's dive into it. So you're welcome to my screen, and on this screen I'm going to show you two ways you can book your flight. And then the first one is that you can book flights on the major and then verified flight booking websites. And then this website I'm going to give you 4 in this video, and then after I will tell you the next way or the second way. So the first one is booking.com. This is very popular, where you can book your flights and then your cars, your hotels and everything. The next one is also Expedia. This one also allows you to do the same thing as the booking.com. And then this one is called Skyscanner. It also allows you to book this hotels, cars, and then flights and everything. Yeah, the last one is Google Flights. Google Flights also works the same. And then you should know that they almost have the same interface. That is the same thing. Always you would have where you are moving from and then where you are going, and then always you would have these things to choose between. So is it a round trip, is it a one-way, or a multi-city? And then the flights, do you want economy, premium economy, business, or a first class flight? So a round trip is where you know the return date. That is, you are moving from your current location to your destination, and then you know when you are going to return back. That is when you are going to choose the round trip. For one-way trip, it means you don't know your returning date, and then this is mostly used by students for our visa because we don't know when we are going to return back to our home country. Since the study is probably 1 year, 1.5 or 2 years, and then no flight will allow you to book more than, I think, a year. Yeah, it is not allowed. So for students, or when you are moving to a place you don't know when you're going to come back, it is always good to use the one-way option. Yeah, so this one, they also have the same thing. You see a round trip, one-way, multi-city, the same thing. And then go here to the same, and then Google Flights also the same. So now you've known how to book it through these websites. They all have the same interface that I'm going to show you in the next few minutes. Yeah, so here the next one is that you have to move to the direct flights official website. Yeah, so let's say you want to use KLM, you just move to the official website of KLM. Then this is how it looks like, where you have this flight booking. It says book a flight. It also has this round trip, one way, or multi-city. Departing from, where are you departing from? Where are you going to? Is it one adult, economy class, business class, first class? And then the date you selected. Yeah, so this is one for KLM. This is for Qatar Airways. This is what I used. Yeah, I used Qatar Airways when I was coming. So the booking for my visa and then the correct tickets I had all from Qatar Airways. Yeah, and then I really enjoyed their service. Yeah, I really enjoyed their service. And then I will always take them again. I'll always take Qatar Airways again. But yeah, I will try other airlines as well. So going through almost all of these, I have seen that Ethiopian Airways, their way of booking these flights without paying is very simple. But remember that all these ones, like I said, they also have these options to hold your payment. Yeah, so I'm going to teach you in the next few minutes how to book without paying. This is the purpose of the video. So let's go on to the real deal for today using Ethiopian Airways or Ethiopian Airlines. So let's select where are you moving from. I'm using Ghana, so we are leaving Accra. This is Accra, Ghana. And then where are we going to? Let's take, we are coming to Berlin. So Berlin, Germany. Yeah, so it will open. Do you want one way? Yeah, we want only one way. We don't know our returning date. So a default date has already been selected. That is 18th of August. So let's say you don't want it, you want somewhere in October. So we can pick, let's say 5th October. 5th October. This is one passenger is okay for us. So you come to search flight. Let's search the flight and see what happens. Okay, so it has brought us to this page. And then, so here, this is where you will see the flight according to the date that we put in. This is the flight, or these are the flights that has come. So let's just, this one, they said only one seat left. This one's only 4 seats. So you just let's choose randomly. Yeah, we are choosing randomly. And then this is economy, semi-flex or economy flex. You can choose any of them since it's only for visa, or if you are really getting it and then that is what you want, that is when you have to take very critical look at it. But this one is for our visa, for them to know when we are planning to leave our country. So let's choose this one. This one is in dollars and then it's 687. All right, so when we selected it, it has brought us here to input to give us the overview of it. So this is 687. Do we still want it? If you want it, then so you can log in if you have accounts with this Ethiopian Airlines, but you can also continue as guest. You can continue as guest. Yeah, so this is where we are to input our details, where this is a personal detail. So Mr. So let me use my name, Mr. Francis Akroma. Let me use any year for my years. So this one, let's say 2000. This one, let's say January, and then 1st January 2000. The gender is male. So here, if you have any number, you just add it. So let me just add a random number. Yeah. And then the email address, let me use upvoicetv, upvoicetv.com, upvoicetv at gmail.com. Yeah, so let me use upvoicetv and then continue. Yeah, so this is where it brought us to. Here we have to select our seat. But you can also leave it and continue. But if you really want to take this flight, that is when you have to take critical look at. Yeah, for first travelers, mostly you want to sit at the window side where you have a very nice view, yeah, of the cities that you'll be passing by. Yeah, so it's always good to select your seat. But some seats also come with extra charges, so you should bear that in mind. So let's continue. Yes, they're asking us if we are sure to continue without choosing a seat number. Yes, so let's continue. And then they are giving us an overview of our flight and then asking us if we want to add some add-ons to it, whether you want to use Wi-Fi. If you want to use a Wi-Fi, it's €5, $5, sorry. And then, yeah, if you want to have some stopover at Addis Ababa, it's also $110. So if you don't want to add any add-ons, you just move to continue, where we are continuing to the payment section. So this is summary of our trip, and then there is this payment section. So this is where it's very much important. It says book now and then pay later. So this is of a great interest to us. Yeah, so all these ones, a typical one like this, Qatar Airways, you are going to see hold my booking. But Qatar, Ethiopian Airlines, they are telling you that book now, pay later. So KLM, they also have what is called, so it is almost the same. So we will select book now, pay later. Yeah, that is what we have selected. We come here, we take this, and then we go to purchase. Yeah, we haven't paid any money. So you just go to purchase So we are waiting for the confirmation, and then yeah, this is the confirmation. It says, "Hi Francis, reservation. This is the reservation code. It's on hold and will expire in 24 hours." This is 24 hours. It means for Ethiopian Airlines, they can hold your tickets for 24 hours. Yeah, like I told you, Qatar Airways, they have this 24 hours, they have 48 hours. Yeah, so for myself, I used the 48 hours. So it depends on when you can actually get the money and then pay, or when you are submitting your ticket for your visa to be finally put in your passport. So this is it. And then you receive an email where you would have a PDF attached to it. The PDF is what you will be submitting to the embassy as your flight reservation or your flight booking. So I'm going to show you now how the PDF looks like. So this is how the PDF looks like, and it has all your details on it. It says prepared for Mr. Francis Akrama. You'll be leaving Accra, Ghana on 5th October, Thursday, and then you'll get to Berlin on Friday, 6th October. So this is how it looks like. So you're going to print this and then submit to the embassy for your visa. Congratulations to you. Now you know how to book flights without payment. Thank you. Yes, we are finally at the end of the video, and thank you so much for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and then don't forget to hit the notification bell so that any moment I post a video, you receive it as early as possible. Yeah, I wish you all safe travels. Let's meet in my next video, and then until then, may the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye bye.